Welcome back, YouTube lovers, to Shayla's Journey to Success. I appreciate you all tuning in once again and showing your girl so much love. I have been so grateful for all the love and support that I've gotten thus far, so I thank you. And for my new people to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please enjoy this video. Check out a few of the previous ones. Your girl's growing, and I would love for you to grow with me. So come along. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like it if you're already into it, and definitely comment below and let me know your ideas. If you like this new workout, if you prefer the regular, just give me your ideas and suggestions. So basically what I mean by new is I wanted to give that option for the people who may not have as long of a time to take an exercise break, or whoever wants to have their own music and just do their own thing, wear the waist trainer, do whatever works. This one is going to be straight to the point, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Catch your break. Let's get started. I know you got this. We're starting out with some cross toe touches. Let's do it. Push yourself for 40 seconds and that 20-second rest. You'll be just fine. Keep that tummy in tight if you're not wearing a waist trainer. Take your time. Don't forget to breathe. Have your water and towel available if you may need it, because I'm pretty sure you will. And make sure you are just in the right mind space. Let's get this exercise knocked out. Again, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, and you're done in no time. You're going to repeat it for 2 or 3 rounds if you have the energy. Do what you can, and if you have the time, do what you got to do. Let's work it out. Grab some water, get ready for the next exercise. Just so you know, that is 1 out of 5. So you're almost there. Keep it up. Next up, high knees. Let's go. Ready or not. Next exercise up will be crunches. So get yourself ready to get down on the mat. You can either keep your legs and feet up like I do, or you can put your feet over an ottoman as you see over there off to the side, or a chair if you have one at home, as well as you can place them on top of your couch. Just don't put too much support into them, or underneath the couch. Whatever you can do to keep your feet planted and keep you grounded on the floor so you can complete this exercise, do it. If you have lower back pains, remember, safety is most important. So roll up that mat, put a towel or blanket underneath you. Do whatever you need to do and what works so that you can complete this exercise and keep it moving. You got this. Remember, pain is temporary, and without it, you wouldn't be getting these gains. You got this. Stay at it. I know you're all sweaty and tired, but please remember to hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. Keep it going. You got this. Woo woo, you made it once again. Congratulations. You did the dang thing. Remember, that was round 1, so you know what to do. Hydrate, wipe that sweat off, and let's try to make it 1 more or 2 more rounds. Let's go for 3 max like we normally do. I know you got it in you, and I know you can do this. I really hope you enjoyed what you got from this video and you're putting it to some good use. Share with your friends and family because you never know who may need it or is waiting for that encouragement to get active and get back to being fit. Share, like, comment, and always don't forget to hit that bell. Until next time, bye.